Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to turn photo into a talking video. Now the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your browser, then you should search here for HeyGen, then you should go for the first link. And now after you go to the first link, just click on sign up for free. So simply I'll sign in using my Google account. So now simply I'll choose the first option, which is the free option. You can do 3 videos per month, videos up to 3 minutes, 720p video export. So I'll simply go for the first option. I'll just use it for personal use. I will just go and choose these options, then I will get you back. So now once you set up your account here, you will find all these options. Simply I'll go for this one, photo to video with avatar AI. So simply I'll click on create video, and here I will upload any photo from my computer. So simply I have this photo here, for example. Now for the script, I will type, I need him to salute us with French accent saying hello in English. Okay, now simply I'll select the voice. You can select from many voices that they have here. You have this one here generated, but you can even do your own voice. Once you choose the voice, you can simply play it by simply clicking on this play button. And now if I wanted to create the video, just click on generate video. It will take a couple of minutes. You can even click on surprise me and it will do a random video for you. Now keep in mind that this is only free for the first 3 videos per month, so keep that in mind. So now simply I will go and load the video. Here you have the video. You can now preview it. You can even add a comment to it. You can translate the video. You can even do some edits, turn on captions, and so on. Okay, now here I have the video. Now you can play it.
I need him to salute us with French accent saying hello in English.
Okay, now we have the video. You can download it. You can even share it. So this is how you can actually make a video from a photo using HeyGen. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in a new video.